Most videos online are lying to Africans about AI platform. Some don't pay, some don't accept Africa, and some waste your time. In this video, I will show you 5 AI platforms that are actually working for Africans in 2026, and I'll tell you the truth about each one, no hype, alright? If this is your first time here, my name is Olojik, and on this channel, I talk about real online income opportunities, especially those that work for Africans. Let's get straight into it. So, guys, the first platform is simply called Silencio AI, and this one is already popular, but many people are using it strongly. As you can see right here, this platform is all about AI voice and data contribution, all right? And you are simply going to earn in crypto, not paper. And this works in African countries, and it is mobile friendly. As you can see right here, if you can speak in Yoruba, you want to join this opportunity. If you can speak in English, you want to join this opportunity. And of course, guys, you are going to earn 10 USD per hour in the USDC. So, guys, this is simply amazing. And guys, Silencio is not a get rich quick platform. If you're patient and consistent, all right, but if you expect instant withdrawal, you'll be disappointed. So, guys, I have already made a video on the Silencio, so if you want an updated guide, let me know in the comments and I'll simply work on it. All right, so guys, this is Silencio AI. So I'll be leaving all these links in the description of this video. All right, so the second platform is Grass AI, and this one is interesting because it is mostly passive. So, guys, as you can see right here, grass was in the background of your life while you earn rewards. So, guys, this simply use your unused internet bandwidth and it pays in crypto. Of course, guys, this works in Africa. All right, so guys, this is why grass.io matters. You pay for internet every month, but most of it goes unused, doing nothing for you. Grass pulls the unused part of your connection to work and turns it into rewards. It's a resource you've always had. Now it works for you. So, guys, this is it, how it works. So, guys, don't worry, I'll make another video on this and I'll show you how you can simply make money using grass.io. So, guys, now you can imagine any just browsing the internet like you normally do. All right, and guys, because you won't see fast money here, but it is one of those platforms you can simply combine with others. All right, third platform is AI and Web3 task platforms like Zealy and of course TaskOn. So, guys, now you want to complete tasks on these platforms, you simply train AI models and you engage in community, and of course you earn tokens or rewards. Of course, guys, Africans are accepted on these platforms. All right, so please take note of that. And of course, guys, before I continue with this video, please I want you to like this video, subscribe if you are here to, please share this video with a friend out there. So, guys, if you ever done airdrops before, this will actually feel familiar. And of course, some tasks pay where some don't, and you must choose wisely when you are on this platform. All right, so guys, this is the top platform, Zealy, and of course TaskOn right here. TaskOn. Number 4 is Microworkers, and this one is very underrated. So, guys, it is with AI data labeling. You simply want to complete simple micro tasks. Of course, this accepts Africans and it pays consistently. So, guys, and I'm sure most of you are already familiar with this platform, microworkers.com. You can see right here, categorization, rating, data mining, survey, data annotation, data mining right here. So guys, testing, content moderation, sentiment analysis. Of course guys, they have loads of them right here. You can also translate and earn. So guys, of course this platform will not make you rich, but it is legit. All right, so take into that it won't make you rich, but it is legit. So the last one right here is simply called Toloka AI, and this one is very suitable for Africans. All right, so it's actually deals with AI data training tasks, image labeling, surveys, and simple analysis. All right, and it works in many African countries, and it requires low skill. All right, low skill requirement. So of course guys, the paper task is small, but tasks are frequent on this platform. So if you stay consistent, it adds up over time. And of course guys, so one mistake I see many Africans make is relying on one platform only. Platform state, root state, payments delay. So always combine 2 or 3 platforms. So guys, if you found this video helpful, like it so YouTube can show it to more people. Comment below and tell me which platform you want a full step-by-step guide on. And if you want honest online income content, please subscribe.